There are literally multiple people who want to sweep your feet in May, and I can feel like their energy is all clashing. It's like they can all sense each other from a distance, almost an unspoken awareness that they are all drawn to you at the same time. I know this is extremely intense, and some of them are craving deep commitment, while the other are moving with hesitation, afraid of being rejected because they can feel the presence of competition. So their energy is always circling around you, wanting to claim their place. And because you are in a chapter of your life where you're effortlessly attracting attention, options, and potential connections, like without even trying. Because right now the cards are showing movements, travel, and distance. It almost feels like some of them are preparing to make an extreme move towards you physically or emotionally. But what stands out most is your independence. Like you are so fiercely on your own. You have your own goals and your visions. You are self